In front of me is iPhone 17 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto rotation. Since I am recording tutorials to Apple and Android devices almost every day, every time new iPhone rolls around, I get the same question: how to manage auto rotation? And that's because iPhone devices don't actually have auto rotation. Let me explain. Instead of auto rotation, they have lock orientation. So when you go into Tap menu by swiping down from the top right corner and use this icon you think it's auto rotate one, it will turn white and the padlock will turn red. Most users think that means that auto rotation is on, but what it actually means that your device was just locked in chosen orientation. So now, when I open one of my apps and try to rotate my screen, nothing happens. But when I click on the same shortcut, wait until my padlock is white and open, and then go back to rotate my screen, I can see that it changed orientation right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!